Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how I do my zucchini omelette, or you can call it zucchini frittata. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using 4 eggs. I'm going to also be using about a teaspoon of butter, and I'm going to as well using extra virgin of olive oil, medium onion, 1 clove of garlic, salt. I have about 2 small zucchini cubed this way, and I have 100 ml of milk and 50 grams of parmigiano. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe, and let's get to the cooking. So guys, over the heat I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin of olive oil, or you can use a tablespoon for this. I'm going to allow them to heat up a little, then I'm going to add the zucchini. So guys, the oil is heated. I'm going to go ahead now to add the zucchini. I'm going to cook this zucchini until it's tender, like it's a bit tender, before I will go ahead to add every other ingredient I'm going to be using, because I don't want the onion or the garlic to get burnt while the zucchini is trying to cook. So guys, now that the zucchini is almost soft, I'm going to go ahead now to add the onion and the garlic. Then I'm going to season it with black pepper and salt. So I'm going to stir it all together and allow them to continue cooking for other minutes until the zucchini is more tender. So while the zucchini is cooking, I'm going to go ahead to break the egg into this bowl. Then I'm going to add the milk, the parmigiano, and a bit of salt, just a pinch of salt, because the cheese already has salt on it. So I'm going to go ahead to whisk this egg mixture until it's well combined. So the mixture is well combined, so I'm going to go ahead now to place a frying pan over the heat and start cooking the eggs. So guys, on a saucepan over the heat, I'm going to add a teaspoon of butter and allow the butter to melt. While the butter is melting, I'm going to add another teaspoon of extra virgin of olive oil, teaspoon. So I'm going to mix the oil and the butter together. So guys, I'm going to go ahead to add the egg now that the butter and the extra virgin of olive oil is heat. So I'm adding the eggs now. Allow the egg to stay without turning it for a minute, then I'm going to show you the way you can turn the egg. So when you notice that the eggs are settling at the bottom, what you need to do is you need to move it this way. It's like crossing it over, just to make the eggs just to make them cook well. So when you turn them this way, allow them to settle back again for a few seconds, then you give them another stir. So I'm stirring them for the second time. You don't have to be worried if the egg is going to be, because there is still liquid on the egg that will help the egg to round back again. So after stirring them this time, just allow the egg now to cook for other minutes before adding the zucchini inside. So guys, I'm going to go ahead now to add the zucchini into the egg. So I'm just going to spread them this way to allow the zucchini to get down to the eggs. Then when you are done doing this, just allow them to cook for a few minutes, about 3 to 4 minutes under a very low heat. Then I'm going to send them to the oven to cook for another 2 minutes. So guys, they've been 3 minutes here on the heat, so I'm going to send them to the oven and allow them to cook in the oven for another 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. And I'm going to bring them out and show you what they looks like. And it's out of the oven. And make sure if you are using oven to cook this, make sure you are using a frying pan that has this kind of metal hand, or you can use anything, or you can still allow them to cook on the heat if you don't want to cook them in the oven. So this is the what you're looking for is cooked. Look at that crunchy part of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and I will see you all on my next video. God bless you all. Bye.